Alright everybody, today is 16th of February 2021 and I want to show you how can I clone the code from the GitHub that I provide on the, sometimes it can be on the YouTube video link, or sometimes you can find it on my website itself, right? The code that what I'm talking about is this code here. This is my GitHub repo, Farouk Phuket /lab8.project. So my name was pronounced Farouk Phuket, not Farouk Phuket, okay? Alright, let's do it now. First of all, I'm going to copy this code first. So this is the URL that you're going to see below this video. It's just in the video description. So all you have to do is just copy that or just click on that. It will take you to this page. Now, when you come to this page, what you're going to do is you click on the code here and you click in, make sure that it's HTTPS here, and then you click on this one. Now open up your terminal program, or you can just directly download by the zip file like this. See down here, you can download as a zip file here, but to me, I prefer terminal way. It's not that scary, it's very easy though. So open up your terminal program and then I will navigate to my desktop here, and then I'm going to make the directory called, let's say if I have any directory like this. Okay, there is no directory called test. mkdir is the command to make a directory. So I am going to make the directory called test. So now let's cd in that. Then the next thing, what I'm going to do now is just say git clone and then pass the URL that we just copied from it, and then I'm going to follow by dot because I want to clone this into this directory, the test directory that live in my desktop, right? So here's my desktop and this directory right here. Okay, let me put this away. So now I'm going to hit enter and it's going to clone it in here. So you will see that the file is a little bit big. I don't know how big is that is. Oh, it's 4 megabyte. That's funny. Right, so you're going to see a lot of file in here when you list the directory. If you use my configs file here that I provide on GitHub, so this is going to work on you, but without this you have to type in ls to see that, or ls.la to see that. This only work on Linux, okay? If you are on Windows, you on Mac, I don't know, because I don't have Windows or Mac machine for me. Now, you can't just run this, alright? It's not going to work. There will be some couple things that we have to take care of. Now, if you have a look here, I have the file called env.example, so we need this file. So what we're gonna do is we just going to copy this file .env.example, and then we need to copy this file to .env file. That's the first step, all right? And the next thing that what we're going to do, all right, we copy the files already. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to run composer update, and that's going to download the repository, and that's going to update. So if the composer, right, if the composer show this error, it means you have to do an install, all right? So update is doesn't work on mine. So what I do is I type in composer install your log file that not contain compatible with the packet. Please run composer update. Okay, let's run again composer update. Is it update? Your requirement could not be resolved to installable setup package. root composer JSON require PHP 7, but your PHP version does not satisfy that. Okay, problem 1 ish. What is that in here? XCOs. Composer.json. So you change the file here is to be php what 8.0. Let's see if satisfy composer update. Okay. Alright, that seems to be cool now. And the next things I'm going to do is I'm going to type in npm install. Okay, next we're gonna edit the file .env file right here. I use SQLite here, but you can use MySQL if you want to. So the path here, remember that we are on desktop. All right, so my path here, I'm on the desktop, so pwd, this is my full path. You just copy this, all right, and you can replace this right here. Copy this and replace. So you may have to enter your absolute path like this. All right, now this is all I have to do about this file. I just close it, and then what I'm going to do now, I will type in PHP origin serve. Let's see we have anything's problem in here, and it doesn't seem like I got anything problem. Let's click on this, and it's going to show, oh, your app key is missing. Oh. Okay, let me one more try. Control C and then PHP origin key colon generate. Now PHP origin serve. See we have, okay, so that's going to be something like this. So if you have this, it means your script is already working. Now let's have a look. Your login as a member will be test as mylab.me, and the password will be password, just the word password. There you go. Now you can log in, all right, and you can do some, let's see if I can post anything right here. This is my post. Okay, data has been created. All right, so this is the member section, and as you are the member, you can post, you can see the post, you can read the post, or you can read the post here. So if you are the owner of this post, you have ability to edit that, or to delete it, you can do that. But if you're not the owner of this post, you can't. All right, all you can do is just read. And you can see that I have the script right here that it doesn't show properly. So this is the reason why I have this two button right here. If I click on read on page, you can see that the code that I try to show is showing up in the proper format that I want it to. All right, that is about the member section. So the other thing you can have a look at. One of the thing is you can see that the title right here is already changed. Remember is what this one before, but now I have this one. This is my post here, so the title right here is changed. So that one of the thing. Now log in at the admin. The username is admin at mylab.me. All right, and then the password is also password. Now let's log in as admin. So you can see that on the admin side, I have this. So this is my post right here is from the user test. And what I can do, I can delete, I can edit it if I want to, I can see it if I want to. Right. So back to the post, and also you have the tags that show right here as well. Now the other thing is you can have the comment right here, but the comment will be when someone do comment on the post only will show right here, and you can reply it, you can delete it, you can edit it. And the template here, what show in the first place, you can edit it like this. So when you want to post anything, you don't have to type the whole lot of things. So let's see what happens if I select the template. It will show like this, and then I can just type in the rest of that. But anyway, if you don't know any HTML, so you can't do anything about this pretty much. If you have no idea about the source code right here, it will be a little bit difficult for you to edit or update that, you know. Alright, that's it, how you can use this source code from this repo here. I hope this video will tell you a little bit of thing, but if it's not, just feel free to send me an email, or you can make a comment at the below, or you can comment it from YouTube if you want to. I will respond in every comment. All right, so thank you very much.